Suffering from socioeconomic marginalization, the Mangyans are the poorest and most disadvantaged social group in Mindoro. Most of the Mangyan children are not in school. Many schools are far away, requiring hours of walking each way.
Ano ito? Okay. Okay, ano ang PAT? Pangunahing problema dito sa ating paaralan, sa aming paaralan, ay yung mga bata malimit na nag-absent kapag panahon ng tagtalupan at tag-anihan. Kasi kailangan nila magtrabaho para sila ay may kainin. Kapag panahon naman ng tagkiriwi, nag-absent sila kasi nga wala silang makain sa bahay, magugutom lang sila sa school, at saka yung iba ay malayo ang inuuwian kapag pumapasok. Kaya tinatamad na lang silang pumasok dahil nga gutom na, maglalakad pa.
They have little access to potable water. Poor hygiene and sanitation practices contribute to their reduced resistance to disease. Severe malnutrition, pneumonia, tuberculosis, malaria, and other preventable diseases are common occurrences.